Phonemic awareness and phonics are two critical elements that we need to understand when teaching our young people how to read. Hello, my name is Rosemary Blash, and I wanted to create this video to help explain how we can use ElkoninBoxes to teach children how to read. You can use this particular tool to help children manipulate sounds, and in manipulating, they are going to become more comfortable with sounds. Prior to using a tool like this, children need to understand that the symbols that we see, like in the letter A, the letter B, those are symbols for sounds that we make. So if they see a letter A, we say that you're going to make the sound ah or the sound A. Once they understand this, and even as they are acquiring this skill, we can help them manipulate sounds. So we can use a tool called ElkoninBoxes, or you might have seen this tool referred to as sound boxes. So let me show you what this is. These are ElkoninBoxes, and again, you could also call them sound boxes. I have a picture here of a cat. So we have the cat, and then we have the symbols, C-A-T, put together to make the word cat. In the word cat, we have three sounds. So those red rectangular boxes are, they represent those three sounds. And you can use manipulatives like, three little pennies, little pieces of paper, whatever you would like to use. Something easy for the child to manipulate. Now I'm going to show you what the child would do. So let's walk through and see what this looks like. This is the word cat. There's three sounds. The first sound is k. So what the child will do is actually bring that manipulative down into the box. And then the next sound is ah. And then t. So what they're doing is they are saying k, ah, t. And then they can read the word cat. Here's the word duck. I separated the letters just so that we can still talk about the fact that there are three sounds. Three sounds in the word duck. The first sound is d, k, duck. And going on, hat. There are three sounds in the word hat. T, hat. Hate. Don't want to hate. But in the word hate, even though there are four letters, there are still three sounds. Three sounds in the word hate. A, t. And one of the things that I like to tell children to do when they're making the sound, when they are making that vowel sound, this middle sound, we kind of want to drag it out. So A, and before we go on to T, let me show you with the word lock. Again, four letters, but we have three sounds. So you're focusing on the sounds. Lock. Three sounds. L, ah, k, lock. And you can model that for your children, and they'll catch on to what they're supposed to do. Here's the word math. 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 Rat. Rat. And if you notice, where I can, I'm dragging even the consonant sounds, and I'm blending them into the vowel sounds. When you have a consonant like R or That's a sound that you can actually drag out. So you can show the student. Rat. Then you'll hear, or you'll be using phrases like sound it out, and they'll understand what they are supposed to do. So exercises like this help the child make those sounds, and then when they come to a word that they have not seen before, when they see the sounds, they can make the sounds and sound out a new word. Here is the word rate. 3 sounds. Rate. Rate. Here is a word that has 4 sounds. Spot. There are 4 sounds in the word spot. Spot. Here's the word stop. Same sounds, but they're in a different arrangement. Stop. Stop. This little arrow lets us know that we're going to say it fast. Stop. Let's do another one. Here's ship. 3 sounds in the word ship. Ship. Again. 3 sounds. Ship. Ship. Here are some extra boxes for you to use. You can put in your own pictures, and you can have the child pull down those pennies or those pieces of paper. Here we have 2 sounds, 3 sounds, 4 sounds, and you can even create one with 5 sounds. By then, they're really good at sounding out words, so you may not have to use this particular tool, but you certainly can if you would like to. So this is just my my demonstration of how to use these sound boxes. And there are great ways, particularly if you notice that your child is having a hard time sounding out and then saying the correct word. Sometimes they may sound out cat, at, but they'll say dog. They'll say put, something totally unrelated. And I've seen this particular tool work really well with that particular situation. Or if they're just learning their sounds and just learning how to manipulate those sounds, this is a great tool to use. Contact me today. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description, and we can talk more about my online tutoring services. I hope this has been of help to you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.